What if the greatest limitation facing artificial intelligence isn't computing power? What if it isn't money or advanced chips? What if the thing that ultimately slows the AI revolution is something humanity has depended on since the beginning of civilization? Water. When most people think about artificial intelligence, they picture something almost magical. A chatbot answering questions, an image appearing from a text prompt, a digital assistant completing tasks in seconds. It feels weightless, but the reality is very different. Behind every AI system are enormous data centers, packed with powerful processors operating around the clock. And those processors generate tremendous amounts of heat. Without cooling, they simply stop working. That means the digital world depends on physical infrastructure, cooling towers, pumps, water systems, industrial facilities large enough to resemble factories. The AI boom has triggered an unprecedented race. Technology companies are investing billions into larger models, larger data centers, and larger computing clusters. Every breakthrough creates pressure to move faster, to build more, to train more powerful systems. But hidden beneath all this growth is a problem few people talk about. The machines powering artificial intelligence require resources, and one of the most important is water. The irony is difficult to ignore. Humanity is building machines designed to solve the problems of the future while increasing demand for one of the planet's most essential resources. At the same time, water is becoming more valuable. Many regions already face droughts. Reservoir levels are falling, groundwater supplies are shrinking. For millions of people, water scarcity is no longer a future threat. It's a present reality. Now artificial intelligence is entering that equation. The issue isn't that AI facilities are intentionally wasteful. The issue is scale. A more powerful model attracts more users. More users require more servers. More servers require larger facilities. Larger facilities require more cooling. And the cycle continues. Technology companies are already planning massive AI campuses across multiple countries. Some projects will consume resources on a scale once associated with heavy industry. For nearby communities, that creates difficult questions. Because unlike computing power, water cannot simply be manufactured. Every gallon used in one place is unavailable somewhere else. That reality becomes increasingly important in areas already struggling with shortages. Most people will never see this side of artificial intelligence. They will see smarter software, faster responses, more capable tools. The infrastructure remains hidden behind walls and security fences. Out of sight, out of mind. Yet those facilities are becoming some of the most important buildings on Earth, because inside them sits the computing power driving the next era of technology. The question is whether the resources supporting that growth can keep pace. History is filled with examples of societies assuming critical resources would always be available. Until they weren't. Artificial intelligence may represent the future, but it still depends on the same resource that sustained the ancient world. And that's what makes this story so unsettling. The technology of tomorrow may be limited by one of the oldest constraints humanity has ever faced. Not innovation, not ambition, not computing power, just water.